Next topic, we have the proportion and variation. So, meron tayong ratio, proportion, and variations. But, ratio muna. So, ito yung, ratio, ito yung form ng, ratio, fraction din siya of the form na ganito. Merong colon sa gitna. So, parang ito yung nagsaserve as numerator, tapos ito yung denominator. So, we can write this as 3/7, 1/2, 7/3, and 5/2. Tapos, proper ratio ang tawag kapag mas maliit ang numerator or itong nasa left, while improper ratio naman kapag mas malaki siya. Okay? Next, proportion. Para siyang statement. For example, ito. Jack has 4 pets, a fish, a bird, a cat, and a dog. Now, what proportion of pets are 4-legged? Based from this, ang 4-legged lang is yung cat and yung dog. So, pwede nating sabihin na out of 4 pets, 2 lang yung 4-legged. The proportion of pets with 4 legs is 2/4, 2 out of 4, or 1/2. Next, variations. Meron tayong dalawang types ng variation. So, sa direct variation, kapag lumalaki si X, lumalaki din si Y. Okay? Kapag nagdi-decrease si Y, nagdi-decrease din si X. Kumbaga, it's either pareho silang mag-increase or pareho silang magdi-decrease. Unlike dito sa indirect variation, kapag ito yung nag-i-increase, ito yung magdi-decrease. Okay, opposite sila. And vice versa, kapag ito na may mag-i-increase, siya na may magdi-decrease. Okay. Where K is the constant of variation. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you for listening and good luck. Bye!